Okay, we're on Electron Configurations Day 2. Okay, and here we're going to learn how to create shorthand electron configurations. Okay, so as we learned in Day 1, it takes a long time to write out some of these configurations, especially when you get further up, 1s2, 2s2. So there is a shortcut method to the madness. Alright, let's take, for example, oxygen. Again, he is number 8. And where do I find Mr. Oxygen? He's on the second electron level in the P block, and he has 1, 2, 3, 4 over. Okay. So, here's Mr. Oxygen, P block, 4 over. So, if he is in the second electron level, right here, what I can do is I can back up to the first electron level and I can go out to the end, and who lives out there? At the end of the first electron level is helium. So what you do is you put helium in brackets. Okay, so I'm going to put helium in brackets, and then I start my configuration from the second electron level. So then I go 2s2, 2p4. So 2s2, 2p4. So this helium represents 2 electrons plus the 2 here, plus the 4 here. I'd add that all up. That equals 8. But that doesn't save me a lot of time in these lower ones. But let's look at something higher. Let's look at this vanadium right here. Okay, vanadium's number 23. Alright, so he's in the 4th electron level, and he's in the D block. Okay, and he is 3d3. Okay, 4th electron level, 3d3. Okay, so what am I going to do? I'm going to back up to the 3rd electron level, and I go out to the end, and who lives out there? Oh, there's Mr. Argon. Okay, so Argon lives out at the end there. Alright, so I put it in brackets. And then I'm going to start my configuration from where? I'm going to start it from the 4th electron level. So I'm not going to write all of this back here. I've shortcutted it to right here. And then I'm going to start on the 4th electron level, so I go 4s2, 3d3. So that cut out a lot of work, right? So when I go to add that up to make sure it equals 23, argon is what number on the periodic table? We'll go back and look, and he is number 18. Okay, so he has 18 electrons. So this whole thing represents 18 electrons. 19, 20 plus 3 is 23. So there is your shortcut for vanadium. Okay, so you just keep repeating that, and even on those ones that are special, remember in these groups right here, they're special, you still shortcut it. Like if we're talking about copper, I would shortcut it argon, right? Because he's in the 4th electron level. Alright, I back up to the 3rd. So I put argon, and then what do I put there? 4s1, 3d10. Okay, does that make sense? Let's look at that 18, 19, 29. Who's number 29? Copper. Okay, so make sure you're counting to make sure you have the correct number of electrons represented. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know.